Area and perimeter. Right, so we're going to learn area versus perimeter. Now in the picture you can see I've drawn a square. The square is 4 metres by 4 metres. Now we all know that every single side on a square would be 4 metres. So if a bee travelled all the way around that square, you'd have to add 4 metres plus 4 metres plus 4 metres plus 4 metres, which would be 16 metres. So 16 metres is the perimeter of a square. So a rectangle has two sides the same and two sides different. Now in a picture you'll see that I label the top one with 2 dashes, the bottom one with 2 dashes, and each side with 1 dash to indicate that they have 2 different side lengths. So if I was to buzz all the way around that rectangle and A was 3 and B was 2, I would have to add an A side and another A side, a B side and another B side. So when I add 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2, that adds to 10. So if I flew all the way around that rectangle, that would be 10. Oh, that's such a nice smile. Now triangles have 3 sides. Sometimes the sides are the same, sometimes the sides are different, but in this case I've drawn a very ugly scalene triangle where 3 sides are different. So I have to add the A side, the B side and the C side to fly all the way around there. So you can see that it's an equilateral. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. Right, area is how much stuff is inside the shape. It's called the surface area. So in a square, all 4 sides are the same, so you have to times 2 sides together. 4 times 4 is 16. That's the area inside that square. Rectangles have 2 sides the same and 2 sides different. So the area inside that rectangle would be 3 times 2, which hopefully I write 6. No, I forget 6, and I'm too busy just worrying about triangles. Triangles have a bit of a formula, which is half times the tall times how fat they are. So half A times B, or A times B divided by 2. So here I am drawing a beautiful right angle triangle, and I'm letting you know that this triangle is 4 tall and it is 4 fat. And the formula again is half times 4 times 4. So I'm just letting you know that the formula comes because that triangle used to be half a square. Well, not the way I've drawn it, but never mind. Dodgy ears, sorry about that. So it used to be a square. So if it was a square, it would be side times side, which is 4 times 4. But because that triangle is half a square, we have to have half at 4 times 4. So half of 4 times 4 is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8.